Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Quick update, I went on a short vacation in Miami and got to explore Miami a little bit more than I've had the opportunity to in the past. Definitely not as much as I would like to, but no worries, I'll certainly be back. For sure, I'm gonna be sharing with you a few snippets of my vacation, and in these videos we get into some good food, some amazing art, and some really great nightlife scenes. To keep up with me, follow me on Instagram at mimi.loy, that's mimi.lois. Be sure to watch this video to the end, and if you are a non-American traveler visiting Miami and need to get a COVID test done, I have some useful information for you at the end of this video. Now, let's get into it. Hi YouTube, I am in Miami on vacation. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel we talk about food, vacation, Jamaica vacation places, hotel reviews, etc. So today on my vacation I'm going to share with you a restaurant, or a couple of restaurants maybe, that I am checking out in Miami. And the first one is where I'm at right now. Smells good. Wow, that's delicious. It's flavorful. Oh, this is cafe con leche. They're both good. I just wish they were hot, that's all. Okay. This is a quiche. I think it's a ham and cheese quiche. Not bad. Flan, pistachio colone, and guava pastel. Let's try the colone. Pistachio cannoli. It's cold. It's good. It's slightly tangy. The guava on the inside
inside is warm. Tastes very much like guava. Guava jam. This one is good. It's okay. It's not the best thing we've had today, but it's okay. I came to this restaurant because I saw it in Mark Weeds' video, and he said the Cuban sandwich was amazing, right? So I wanted to try as many things as possible. I would give this restaurant an overall 8.5. The food generally is good. The Cuban sandwich, the first one that I've had since I've been in Miami, and it was good. I do wish it was a little bit more toasted, but it was good. The croquetas, I think, were also very flavorful. But again, I wish they were a little bit more hot. But they were good. The flan was not the best thing that we got, but it was also not too bad. The guava pastry, true to flavor. Definitely tasted the guava jam in that. What else did we have? Oh, the pistachio cannoli. I enjoyed that one. It was more of a cold pastry with a little bit of a tangy taste to it. But I did love that one. And the quiche, I think it was a ham and cheese quiche, was probably the best thing that we tried today, in addition to the Cuban coffee. The Cuban coffee was so strong and flavorful and delicious. The restaurant generally is pretty clean. The surroundings are nice. Parking, no issue. The people are very personable, very good customer service here. And so yeah, overall 8.5. Definitely check them out in Miami. I think this is in the Little Havana area. Really good restaurant. Definitely recommend.
Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I just wanted to share with you some information for us non-American travelers vacationing in the States this year. After Miami, I visited another destination and spent some time there. Those videos are definitely coming soon. So I needed to take an antigen COVID test 24 hours before I left Miami. Through Google and Google Maps, I found a Salvation Army that does it for free, and that was so convenient. All you have to do is scan their barcode when you get there, register right there and then stand in line to take your COVID test. It was really that easy. Not only that, but I got my result via email the same day, within just a couple of hours. So if you're in Miami and need to get a COVID test done, antigen or PCR, because they do both, I'll leave the information for the Salvation Army in the description box of this video, and I really hope this information is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram at mimi.loy. Thanks for watching this video, and take care.